Finding total battery cycles count in your MacBook is actually easy. This method will work on all macOS and MacBooks. For this, the easiest way to do is by going to the About This Mac option here by clicking on this Apple logo on the top left bar. So clicking on this will take me to this page, and then if you look over here, there's one button called System Report. Just click on this System Report and then it will open up the page displaying different system information. What we are looking for here is this power information here. Just tap on power and this will take us to this page where we can find the battery cycles count. So as you can see, currently my MacBook Air's cycle count is 22 and it's normal, and its maximum capacity is 100%. So this is it. This is how you can find your MacBook's battery cycle count. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.